Alright, I'm going to attempt to capture the clicking sound that my 2016 Razer Blade 14-inch is making. The problem is intermittent. It seems to only happen when a laptop is tilted, which would be, the common posture you'd see if you're carrying it in your hands or resting it on your legs. It also only seems to happen when the fans kick on to a slightly higher speed. Hopefully it'll cooperate with me. I got it on one video, but the camera was rotated the wrong way. So yeah, heard it doing it there for a second. So I lifted up more vertical, it started doing it some more. I'd assume the fans are wobbling, but the fans are here and here, and it sounds like the clicking sound's coming from right about here. I wonder if it might be something else, like a capacitor or something that's not behaving correctly. I did take off the back to take a look at things. I didn't like that. And I heard the strong buzzing sound coming underneath this heatsink here. I assume that's there's two heatsinks. I'm not sure which one's which. Processor and GPU maybe, I don't know. Maybe in Northbridge. And it seems to be done. Okay, I'd say it's somewhere here towards the middle.